Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today I have a very quick, very small Dollar Tree haul. Yeah, Amy and I went to the Dollar Tree today. We went to get something. Don't remember what it was. Yes, I do. Arizona tea. And, we always check the craft out, and they have some new stuff, so I just want to, So the first one are these. They're rub-on transfers. Be a little wild, dream until your dreams come true. I thought they were kind of cool, kind of cute, so I got them. I thought maybe we could use them in a project. Who knows? So I grabbed those. And when I grabbed those, I noticed that they have a whole new line of stamps. You remember the ones they had? They had like 4 of them. There was the llama and the butterfly, and then there was like a bird and summer or something like that. Well, I saw this one. And I went, oh my God. Right? And then I saw this one and I was like, Amy has to have this in her life. So I grabbed that one. Well, then I saw this one. We actually ended up going to 2 Dollar Trees because some of these I found at the second one. They didn't have it the first one, but I got a couple of those, so I'm going to put one in the shop. I found this one. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Yeah, I like it. Let me adjust this real quick. There we go. And then I found this one. And I thought, that one's kind of neat too. So I grabbed that one. And I grabbed a couple of sets of this one. They're like stamps, and I thought that would be interesting, so we grabbed some of those. I grabbed a few of these. Right? How cute is this? And I'm going to give you this. This is their first layered stamp. This goes in the wings. So it's a layered stamp. We're going to give it a try. And then there's this one. And I grabbed a few sets of that too. I like the bee on this. It's like, it's not funny, It's not comical. It's not cartoonish. Look, they're just regular bees. This one says, such happy news. So glad we're family. Miss you. Best of luck. You're the nicest. So I grabbed a few of those. This one says, thank you for your kindness. May good things grow all year long for a true friend. And you are an inspiration. This one just has, the stamps. There's a little dress with buttons and shoes, and there's the Eiffel Tower, and I think that's a bra. I'm not sure. Could be a bra. I think it's a brassiere. Wedding cake. There's a dress. Feather. A hat. So that one was cute. Then there was this one. Had a pipe and a little violin, a vintage car. They had one with a bicycle, but I didn't like it. It had a lot of flowers. It was very, very busy, and I didn't think it was going to translate very well. And then this one, which I thought was just adorable. I have something very similar to this, where you have stems and different, flower heads that you can put on it. And then this one I really like. We're going to actually give this one a try. And, gotta have these for the Amy. So that was that. I'm going to go ahead and get out some ink and my stamping platform and a piece of cardstock, and we're going to give this one a shot. I'll be back in just a moment. We'll test them out, see how they work. Be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and test these. And I chose this one because it's got the most details in it. So let's just pick one here. Let's see how they come off. Fairly easy. I'm going to let that sit and rest for just a second while I get my stamp press set up. This is just a piece of foam of rubber mat. It's actual rubber, and I use it underneath, to give the whole thing a little, y'all know what I mean. Okay. So we're going to take our paper. Put our paper in, kind of in the middle here. Use a little piece of tape to hold that down, and then I'm going to place my stamp image down so that I can pick it up. then we're going to ink that up. Now, this is the first time this stamp has ever been stamped. So, you know, we do expect a little, you know, a little difficulty. So I'm going to ink it up. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a first gen stamp here. Nice even pressure. I'm not really pushing that hard. I'm just making sure that I touch the whole thing. Pick it up. And a couple of little spots there, but that's okay. We're used to that. That happens. So we'll give it a little more ink. Bring it over. This is a very detailed stamp. Probably one of the most detailed in all the ones that they had. So that's, you know, another reason why I chose it. Okay, let's take a look. Still don't like that middle spot. There we go. Okay, much better. I just apparently wasn't touching that spot. I'll go ahead and get that out of there. I'll clean this up in a second. Out of the way. This out of the way. Let's take a look. So there's our image. Not bad. Not bad at all. So that's, you know, that's all I've got. I'm going to be placing some of these in the shop, so look for them there if you're interested. You know, if you don't have a Dollar Tree in your area, this may be your option. That's it. That's all I got, my friends. Until I see you again, stay well. Bye-bye.